Of course, you know, when I see the big guy coming at me, I kind of be like, dang, do I want it? But I know I have to. So, you know, I know once I get 220, it's going to be automatically just go attack the offensive lineman. Because at times when I see a big offensive lineman come, I kind of hesitate. But then I know it's my job to go attack the offensive lineman, so I go do that. But I know at 220, there's going to be no problem with that.
And that linebacker, you've seen Charles in his couple weeks come in, and what do you see from him?
Charles, you know, he's developing very well right now, you know, because I'm his mentor. So, you know, I kind of move to the right direction. But we all got a lot of work to do weight-wise. His plays, you know, we got to keep working on that and everything else. So that's what we're going to really do during the summer for him and other real linebackers. You know, make sure the younger guys are able to, when they're trying to get in the forward field, they're able to run in the ball.
See a little bit of yourself in him?
Yeah, a lot actually. No, smaller, speed. So that's why I kind of make sure I'm on him. And Gay also. Because he's out here too. So all us kind of the same levels, fast, speed, small little bit. So we all work on the same thing.
What were you happiest about with the defense today?
Really, you know, just attacking. You know, every time, wherever the ball was at, that's where we went. And we made sure we had a play. So I feel like, you know, as a defense, we came together and we played physical.
Your take, what did you see on that ball?
I really seen the ball. When I got the ball, I forgot what kind of jersey I had on, so I had to remember if I was on offense and defense right about it, because I couldn't really realize what color jersey was. So I kind of, you know, when I got the pick, I just tried to get as much as I could.
Were you the one that blocked the field goal? No.
Oh no, that was Artie Burns.
Oh, it's Artie. Got it. So it feels good to win when you have a score. You actually have a score and you guys win.
Yeah, actually, you know, it feels very well, you know, to beat the offense because, you know, usually the offense, you know, is touchdown and get way more points than us. So I feel like it's very good that we show everybody that our defense is back. You know, last year we had a good season, but this year we're going to show that we're going to have the number one defense.